this section, we want to learn how we can turn a raw render into a highly professional render without you having to spend time on material assignment and rendering. With the help of Corona or V-Ray, we can do this very easily. Look here, I just need to go to the Home section, enter the AI tool I want, go to the AI Tools section, and then enter Sketch Rendering. I open this, and then here I upload my desired image from the Image Upload section. I click Upload, and the image I have here, let's say it's this one, I select. We wait a few moments for the upload process to finish. Depending on how large your file is, this time may vary. We wait a few moments. Yes, as you can see, the image has been uploaded. It's a path with a few chairs here, and at the end there's a small reception area. Now all I need to do here is, from the options, I don't want to enter any prompt, I don't want to make any changes, I just want to render it simply. The only thing is, look, I just need to select Model 3 or version 3 in the options, which is very powerful. I don't change any other options, I just click generate directly. We wait a few moments. Each time it gives you 3 renders. We wait a few moments to see how the render turns out. It's also very fast. I think it takes about 30 seconds, maybe 20 or 30 seconds to deliver the render to you. I'm intentionally not stopping the process so you can see the entire rendering workflow to the end. Well, as you can see, it came out very beautifully and gave us 3 different renders. This is one of the renders. See, it's exactly the same. 3 chairs, this and that reception area. Now, here I can very easily go and, for example, click on this slide, or you can use the side-by-side option to compare them next to each other, compare 2 of them together, or use the sliding mode to compare the main render and the generated render together. Of course, it has made some changes based on its own imagination, but for the most part it's the same. This table is the same, these chairs are the same, this space is the same, but it has made some minor changes. Let's move on to the next one. Of course, you can use prompts to ask it not to make any changes at all. For example, look at this render. I think this one has the least amount of changes. Now look, it's exactly the same, no changes at all, but it has just swapped the positions of the table and chairs. Otherwise, everything else is the same, no other changes, or it has delivered an excellent render to you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next render is this one. Here you can see that a person has been added here, a surveyor has been placed here, and it's really beautiful. See, it's exactly the same, very stylish. This is the closest one. It has kept all these elements, the same table and chairs, even those decorations at the back, and it's really nice. It has only changed the ceiling a bit. As I said, you can use a negative prompt to ask it not to make these changes to your model. That's it for this one. Let's move on to the next tutorial.